How to use Equalizer in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to edit by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once your audio file is loaded into the editor, go to the Effects tab located at the top toolbar. From the list of effects, find and click on Equalizer under Popular. A new window will open displaying the equalizer settings with several frequency bands and presets. You can manually adjust each frequency band to boost or reduce specific ranges like bass, mid-range, or treble to shape the sound to your liking. Alternatively, you can select your available presets such as boost, bandpass, notch, and more to apply a quick equalizer setting that fits your audio style. Use the preview button to listen to the changes before applying them. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, click Apply to add the equalizer effect to your audio. Finally, save your edited file by clicking on File and then Save As to keep the original file safe. And that's it. Now you know how to use the equalizer in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.